In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on Epic Games without verification. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to Epic Games. And then once you're here at Epic Games, you need to make sure to log in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my account. Alright, I'm going to sign in. Alright, as you can see, I'm signed in now. So from here, we want to go ahead and click onto the help button here on the top left of these tabs. And then scroll down and click onto technical support under explore topics. And then again, scroll down, and then we need to click on the blue contact us button here. And now because we're logged in, it's going to have our username and our email address here. And now where it says product, make sure you have account selected, and then on the contact reason, type in, or not type in, click on Epic account. And finally, you want to add in something that goes along the lines of this. So what I've put here is, dear support team, I've lost access to my registered email address and I would like to update it to a new one. Please update my email, add in your new email address here. Also, you need to add in as well, to verify my identity, confirm ownership of the account, I've also included the following details. So you can upload a driver's license, passport, etc. and then give some content. So the date my account was created, a list of games I frequently play, and any other relevant information that only you would know about your account. And at the end, just sign off saying, please let me know if any additional information is required. I appreciate your assistance and look forward to your response. Best regards. So yeah, so just put in a ticket that looks similar to this, and then once you've done that, go ahead and click on submit an email request. But if you want a quicker answer, you can also start a live chat and contact them via that, and they might be able to tell you what else you can add to this. But yeah, I hope this helps to change your email on Epic Games without verification.